Can you really make 120K in Saudi Arabia? Tony Matterhorn speaks. Is this opportunity real? Selector Tony Matterhorn says Jamaicans can earn $120,000 US dollars, yes, US dollars, working in Saudi Arabia for 6 months. But here's the catch. It requires professional grooming. Women must look polished and clean. Men must be well-groomed with neat haircuts. Matterhorn didn't give full details about the job, and many people online are asking, is this too good to be true? What do you think? Would you take this opportunity? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.
December, you come back home for Christmas. See? So if you leave now on a trip, yeah, you can come back for Christmas. Look on this now. Only look at dirty people were hungry like dog. I wanna broke like buckle. Look on this. 120,000 times 6. Some I could do the I know Jamaican money we are talking. All you have to do is, fellas, make sure your ear properly Ray, and ladies, make sure you look nice and keep yourself clean. And the catch to it is, that's why I tell the Batman them say, uno can't apply because them Batman are Saudi Arabia. So uno look a Batman, uno now can't go over there. And as uno go over there, uno can't go over there with no fruity business and fishy business. And I'm gonna be playing music on TikTok. Yeah, I start about my music on TikTok. True, I'm busy at the dance them and thing, but you know. So they didn't want me to score a goal, yo. Anyway, all Jamaicans tag somebody from down a yard. Here we go now. Very important. You can make $120,000. 120,000 US dollar. I'm not talk 120,000 Jamaican dollar every month. Okay? Can't say I not do nothing for no. Yeah, I'm coming to VA this weekend, Virginia this weekend. So Jamaicans, the little hungry belly one them, the little hungry dolly them, where you know say life hard pound, I wanna know say I'm not gonna make it on the gram. The little youth them in some ghetto areas, Magino, you see it. The little ghetto youth them where I talk about your people are fighting me, nobody now giving a break. Rare. This is for you. The little countryman them where you plant up your something and chew the dirty people in Jamaica, them a buy food, price mart and them something there, and now buy a food and look of food. This is for you. The little countryman where sell him little banana and him little something them. This is for you. Me not cost about nothing. Now money me I make on make. Chip. Link to Jamaicans. Tell them say join for Matterhorn live. Viewers and subscribers, uno bloggers and vloggers. Dirty stinking bloggers and vloggers. Every day I see uno be in this cartel, this and that and that and that. Suck on the mama. Say good messenger for uno bring out. Bring out the messenger. Cause all uno do I bring out be a negativity. And uno now bring out the good message. So we are give Jamaican people an opportunity. And Asian people them where reside in Jamaica too. This is a great opportunity. Uno ready now? Tell some people. Yeah. Get the message out. Well, this is the proposition that we have to offer. Let me put on my glasses for this. Should I put on this one? Because I have to look. And some of the police them too. Some of the police at Jamaica where uno now get no whole heap of money and them shut off on all the while. Uno can apply to. Other glass I look people. I have to look like a businessman. I should have put on a jacket though. Because business me I deal with about. True me I deal with my Jamaican people. I have to talk to in my terms. You know? So, yes. Good night. Good evening. Ladies and gentlemen. There's a program that allows you to make up to $120,000 a month. Snoop, you're there Canada. So, it not gonna work for you. But you can call two of the man them around a standpipe and two of the girl them were interested. Them have to go link me. But only people were serious. Roll refresh, big up yourself. Call two people a yard. Only people who are serious, this can work for. The little dirty mind one, them where just want bad mind people and don't want to work for nothing. Or dive in on the mama. Simple. Me make sure eliminate on from now. And Batman, this program is going to affect you now. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. But uno no need to apply to this program. Okay? Okay. Alright? Uno ready now? Oh, me just tell you straighten up. I don't know how to be lean. I don't know how to be bend. I don't know how to be hypocrite. I just tell you have some batty man in Jamaica who are going to say, I want to go to, you're not going to go. It just not going to happen. So I don't want nobody laugh. I tell you the truth. I save on a blood clot life. See? You can't go. I else you go and just let go on the body business, then you can't go. But if you don't have no body intention, you don't go to prison or you go dead. Simple. No argument, no night. So let's get down to business now. Where's my fucking maths? I don't need no pen. This program is a 6 to 12 months program. So 12 months meaning 1 year. See? The program is going to be 6 months. So let me do the maths for the dunce Jamaicans them. Dunce Jamaicans who are fully dunce. Let me see if I have a pen so I could do the maths for the dunce Jamaicans and let them understand what's going on. Alright. So dunce Jamaicans, I could do it. You are getting 120,000 US dollar a month. So if you do 6 months, you're gonna do 6 times 120. Okay? And the money is tax-free. Okay? The money is tax-free. I'm gonna tell you where you're gonna make the money in a minute, but I'm gonna tell you how much money you're going to make. So you're going to get $120, 20,000 US dollars. Say you do 6 months. So what we now? May, and they have a next trip leaving soon, I think in July or so. So say you go July, August, September, October, November, December, you come back home for Christmas. See? So if you leave now on a trip, yeah, you can come back for Christmas. Look on this now. Only look at dirty people were hungry like dog. I want to broke like buckle. Look on this. 120,000 times 6. So I could do the I know Jamaican money we are talking. On I get money, you know. You see it? Anyway, for the month, it don't matter. US, Jamaican, it don't matter. The fact is you're getting an opportunity. You're going to Saudi Arabia, okay? You're going to plus tips. You're making 120,000 a month plus tips. Some bright Jamaicans don't do the maths because we don't know the maths in my head already. $720,000 that. See? Look on this. $720,000 plus. You have to give the drunk of them the plus tip too, you know. Plus tip, okay? So you don't have to touch your money. Hello from Costa Rica, big up yourself. You do not have to touch your money that you're making. See? Jingles are which one? 120,000 Jamaican, boom, bam, bam. I think it's 120,000 Jamaicans you're gonna make, really, but you know, true, by US, me just say US. But a tax-free money. Any which way you take it, it's gonna be nice. The tip are gonna be big because you're gonna be in Saudi Arabia. So we need 80 people, as in 80 people, and you're gonna pay $2,000, 2,000 US for entrance. Okay, for the program, you're gonna pay 2,000 US to the program. Your fare, your airfare, and your accommodations will be all taken care of. And you're going to be working in Saudi Arabia for 6 months to a year on a resort, a 5-star hotel. We have a lot of 5-star hotels in Saudi Arabia, and they need waiters, waitresses. They need you see, someone will look at dolly them where fuck out and done out and nobody now look on them. but them still have them pretty face. We need some of girl, cause only can go in at the lobby as receptionist, cause we have the look and the body. So we want the little pretty dolly them. Only can do the part there, as well as some only can do waitress. And they have different job offers for people, but they're looking for waiters, waitresses, cooks, chef. Me not talk some girl we can't cook and some man we can't cook, and they can't even need dumpling. Which food them over there so easy food them. Cause mostly fish and salmon and them something there, and rice and beans. So they want some chef, and they want some waiters, and they want some waitresses. And you pay $2,000, okay, to join the program. But you know me I add my fee. Me I put a bill span it for my fee. Fuck that. Nothing no come for free. So make it 2,100. Una gonna pay me a bills, put pan the thing, so don't get it twisted. So forget about what's the topic tonight. Chrissy, we're giving out jobs to people who is in Jamaica who is not making ends meet. So 2,100. Me I make sure telling you from now, because I not go around the corner, I not tell nobody no fuckery. Me I telling you say at 2,100. The people them say 2,000. Skylar, Striker, we're giving out jobs to Jamaicans who wants to work in Saudi Arabia at the 5-star hotels. Them have a couple 5-star hotels, and they want waitresses, waiters, and they want receptionists. So may I tell somebody look a pretty dolly them can't work in at the reception because they have the pretty face and the something. Plus, you don't have to spend your money that you're making for the 6 months or the year. You're just going to save your money, and you can live off of your tip them, because one, you are fully accommodated, you're gonna have somewhere to stay, living quarters, and you do not have to pay a plane fare, and you do not need a visa to go to Saudi Arabia, because the program, they're gonna fly you either through Turkey or one of them places where Jamaicans don't need visa, and then from there to Saudi Arabia. Okay? It's Jamaican dollars. So 120,000 Jamaican dollars is like, for the month, how much is 120,000 Jamaican dollars? Somebody go up on the internet, because sometimes people like US, you know. So let me give them in a US. Could somebody on here please go on this Google and tell me how much money value now? No, it's not US, it's not 700 750. Fluffy Diva said 750 US dollars a month, which no found and now makes 7,000 Jamaican dollar a month. So I could do some maths to them, yeah, make them see how much money them gonna get back for the Christmas. Alright, so 750, give or take 740, you know the keeping dollar and the rate. So 750 US dollars for the month. And 6 months, 0.6530. See it? So una get, hold on there, 30, 42, 43, 44, 45. Alright. So no good, you know. So for the 6 months, $4,000, and only per money, plus you don't have to touch your money, and you're going to have your tips. Remember, you gotta have tips, and you don't have to pay for your plane fare to go on the program, but you have to pay. Famous regular work to Jamaican people, you have to pay $2,100. Remember, they tip them over Saudi Arabia enough, you know. And then somebody look at Dolly them when you go to buck up and a little Saudi man will like half a Jamaican pum pum, and then hey, when you know when you hit the jackpot, you just come back to Jamaica and say, wanna come eat me out, wanna come nyam me. I want to own dirty people. I have my house them, houses and me have my cars them. I want to some Dolly where I suck odd. I want some idiot girl. Yeah, you can't style anybody. So you have to pay $2,100. Actually, it is $2,000 US, but me put my $100 in a hit. Yes. Me put my $100 in a can. None of the blood clot never have the idea, yeah. And none of them never know about the program. So I don't want nobody come tell me, nobody no come for me. But so why Matterhorn put $100? Go suck your mother. You didn't know about the money? You didn't know about it? So me put my $100 where you tell me, say, me I go show you how to make money. And me only take $100 out of it and you have a problem. And you go get tip. What the blood clot do you? Listen me. So, don't forget the tips them. Saudi Arabia. Them rich over there. All you have to do is, fellas, make sure your ear properly rare. And ladies, make sure you look nice. And keep yourself clean. And the catch to it is, that's why I tell the Batman them say, you can't apply because them kill Batman in Saudi Arabia. So, you look at Batman, you can't go over there. And as you go over there, you can't go over there with no fruity business and fishy business, we're dead. So, the fish Jamaican them stay in the seas of Jamaica and swim around Jamaica and don't try go across the seas to go to Saudi Arabia, or you're going to end up swimming with the fishes. Simple. Saudi Arabia, boogerism is that, unlike Jamaica where boogerism is against the law, boogerism over there, so a death penalty. I mean, I want to know. If you not see the opportunity for make a money and on a field, say you can go over there and do that, don't do it. And for the dirty Jamaican, them will love weed, thou shall not burn no weed over there. You know, got prison. Me I go to the pros, now me I go to the fucking cons. The cons is, Batman, you can't go over there, go do no batty activities, you not go dead. Jamaicans will love burn weed, don't go over there, because them are locking up. I want to not go get no bail, I want to not speak Arabic, so, you not go get fucked. You not go just there prison, and we don't know what we're there. So, no weed, burn cigarette. You can play your music, and during the time that you're over there, you're going to be around Jamaican. So you can have a look of fun. And guess what? To put a bonus on it, when enough I want to get on the trip and go over there, I am coming over there. And we are going to find a little club over there. And we are going to keep a party. Cut it. You can run around and go to Saudi Arabia. We're giving away 120,000 Jamaican a month. 6 months are a year. The dolly them, you can't walk naked over there. Just some little things where you can live by. Can't fuck nobody, can't smoke no weed, and you can't walk naked over there. See? Or straight prison, and you know that go. But it can be done. By now and Christmas, you go eat a food because you go there somewhere where you make a money, plus you get your tips. Because you're going to get tips. Because you're at a fucking 5-star hotel. You are going to get tips. And for the Jamaicans them who do not know how to make money in a place like Saudi Arabia and Dubai, I am going to give you a few pointers. So you might want to take down a few notes. Pointer number 1. Let me promote cigarette. Pointer number 1, how to make money while you're there. It's just rules and regulation of the country. I have to tell these people. I soon tell you how to register. Don't worry. Me have to tell you the pros and the cons. Me can't make on a register and go fuck up on yourself over there. Then you not say, I'm not around, me could go over there. Me I make sure blood clot tell you know everything over there. Because I know over there. Don't worry about the party, because me and two little DJ are going to fly over there. Number Ronaldinho. I'm going to fly over there, and I am coming over there, and we're going to keep a party over there. And with Jamaican flag